Assalamu alaikum. May peace be upon all of you, my fellow learners, professionals, ladies and gentlemen. Now, I did make a video on when to give up and went into great detail trying to tell you when you should give up. But I don't want you to misunderstand. I'm a firm believer on never giving up. So, this video is on when not to give up. Let's take a look. Do not give up. I'm going to be very clear here. Never give up when you're doing something that is hard but possible for you. Okay, when you know, like for example, when you're learning something, let's say you're learning physics or you're learning art or you're doing a thesis, when you're doing a writing, you're trying to write a book, you're trying to create a video. It's hard for you, it's difficult, right? But possible. Never ever give up in such a situation, right? Let's say you start a business, so difficult, right? You're barely breaking even, you're not making the enough amounts of profits, but it's running, it's working, right? For some reason it's working. Don't give up. That's very important. The second instance is never give up on your dream that you know is worth fighting for. Let's say it's a dream that you've cultivated for years and years. Don't give up on that. Somehow, I had a friend who had a dream and he was nowhere near the food and beverages industry. But he had a dream always that he would one day open up a restaurant. And he did. A couple of years ago, he did. And today, Alhamdulillah, he's doing really well. So never ever give up on your dream that you know that is worth fighting for. That is very, very important. We should have more people who pursue their dreams, right? The system, the education system, the capitalistic, the economic model, what it's doing is it's killing people's dreams and it's creating factory workers, office workers. We need to get people to stop doing that. You can believe in your dream. If it's worth fighting for, you should never give up on that. The third is when what you're doing is good and positive. Okay, maybe you're not reaping the benefits, maybe not, there are no 100 people applauding you, you're not getting claps, right? You're not getting likes, whatever, it doesn't matter. When what you're doing is good and positive, it's creating a positive impact on society, it's a good thing that the world needs. Never ever give up. It's very important. It's one of the things, like today I see the benefits because I used to do lecturing for various subjects, and what happens is every time I get a quota of, like, okay, for this subject you have 100 hours, but every time I teach a subject I take about 20-30 hours extra. Why? The extra time I've spent on talking about life and telling my experiences to my students so that they will stay away from the mistakes that I did, at least. Because of this, I always used to end up taking always longer hours and not even getting paid. But it doesn't matter at all. It was good and it was positive. And today, countless students have thanked me and told me that they made a good choice because of the advice or the experience or the story that I was able to share with you. That is very powerful. So never ever give up on something good and positive that you're doing. Never. Then, when you're not making enough money, so again, this is something I've seen with a couple of my friends also who have started businesses, entrepreneurs, and they were not making enough money. For 5 years, they were not making enough money. I've seen this literally, right? A lot of businessmen start like that. Okay, business ideas, right? Or we've heard plenty of people talking about various online digital products, etc. And initially, when they started, this was not making money. But most of the people who call themselves successful, etc., like Oprah, they were not making enough money. Dave Chappelle walked away from $50 million. It wasn't really the money. So when you're not making enough money, that's no reason to give up. It's no fundamental reason. You'll get to a point where that consideration will have to be made, but definitely not at the initial stage. So don't shy away from a challenge just because you're not making enough money. Do not give up for that reason. Next, and this is very important because I see this rampant around the globe. Never give up when you know that you haven't given your best possible effort in something that you're good at. Let's say you've figured out that you're good at something. You're good at making a speech. You're good at making a video. You're good at doing business. You're good at swimming. You're good at debating. You're good at art. You're good at writing. You're good at, there could be anything. You're good at photography. You're good at learning and studying. You're good at science. You're good at maths. You figured that out. Then you should never ever give up on that. You should continue resiliently, continue pursuing it because you're good at it. And not everyone is. So if you figure something that you're good at, you have to continuously give your best effort. Give your best, right? Not the benchmark, your best. Figure that out. Give your best continuously until you know in your heart that you have given your best. You can't even start thinking about whether you should give up. That's very, very important. Never ever give up until you give your best. So these are the instances where you should never ever give up. When you're doing something hard but possible, on your dream that you know is worth fighting for, when what you're doing is good and positive, when you're not making enough money, and when you haven't given your best possible effort, under these conditions, don't ever give up. Never give up if someone asks you to do so. I want to be very clear here. Someone tells you that you should give up. Okay? Take that, listen to it, sure, but don't do it. Ultimately, if you ever choose to give up on something, it should be your choice, your decision. And I extensively talk about the considerations of when you should consider giving up in my when to give up video. But this is the video on when you should never give up. And that, I hope, has been very informative to you to understand how to keep going, because it's very important. As you know, I offer career guidance and mentoring services to students and young professionals to discuss your challenges in terms of education, career, personal life, how to move forward. So if you have that kind of query, you can always reach out. You have my email address. You can check on the link in the description section and we can work together, right? We can start really discussing and take active steps and tools that I have used in my personal experience that you can build into yourself. So you make some good choices, learned choices, some honest and reliable choices in life to keep moving forward resiliently. So I hope to see you, and thank you so much for being part of the journey and watching the video. I sincerely hope now you know clearly when you should never ever give up. May peace be upon all of you and your loved ones. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Thank you.